Welcome back to Talk to Me, Talk to Me, Talk to Me Tuesday. Okay. Come on. I need you to have a seat. Have a seat. Because today, I need you to do something that many people are afraid of doing. And that's being vulnerable. I need you to share a very painful experience that you had to go through in your life, but not share it from a place of lack, like it took something from you, and maybe it did. But I need you to share it from a place of abundance and of joy and of gratitude, because I need you to transform that pain into purpose, into power, into a present thing that has life, and not life that's draining. A ball of energy that's giving you force, a force of energy, life, and vitality. Transform that into something that's going to make you on the inside feel like a brand new person because you went through that. And not a brand new person that's hurt, down, and angry at the world, but a brand new person that is rejoicing in getting through to the other side, that's grateful for the experience, that's full of love. You got to transform it. And not only do you got to, you get to. This is something that you get to do because you don't have to carry a burden that's so heavy and only focus on the negative. So I need you to take that event that has happened to you, whether you lost a loved one, you lost a connection, you lost an opportunity, you broke something on your body, you made a bad decision that turned very bad quickly. Whatever that is, find the good in it and transfer it into something better. Want to know why I'm asking you to do that? Because I need you to realize that everything you need is already inside of you. All the strength that you need is already inside of you. All the skills that you need is already inside of you. You're just looking at it from the wrong set of eyes. I don't know who needs to hear that. I don't know who needs to hear that. You looking at your greatness from the wrong set of eyes. You're looking at something that happened to you that was tragic. Yes, I agree. It was tragic. But you're looking at it from the wrong set of eyes. You're looking at it as why me, why me, why me? Instead of what now? What do I do now that this has happened to me? So I need you to take a second and be vulnerable. That's all I'm asking. Is that asking for too much? I don't think it's asking for too much, okay? I done came on here and been vulnerable with y'all time after time after time. Please let me know if I'm asking for too much, and if I am, I'm not gonna stop, okay? I'm sorry. That's what we need, okay? We need people to be vulnerable. So I hope that my vulnerability has opened you up to say, you know what? It's actually not that bad. Because it's not. Because at the end of the day, if somebody got something to say about what you've been through or what happened to you, then guess what? It's because they triggered. That's just the truth. They triggered because deep down inside, they know that something similar happened to them and they're too scared to open up about it. But don't let them stop you. That's all I got for you guys. Peace.